Hey there! Are you wondering how to make money with crypto in 2025? You are in the right place. Whether you are a beginner or already have some experience, I'll walk you through the best ways to profit from crypto, from active trading to passive income strategies. I'm Antoinette T, and I've been in the crypto space since 2019, and I've been privileged to work with major exchanges like MEX Global and BitGet Global as a community builder, helping thousands of people navigate the world of crypto. My goal is to give you clear and straight to the point insights on crypto, DeFi, and make money in this space. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to start earning. So let's dive in. The first way is buying and holding. This is the hold strategy. This is actually the simplest way to make money in crypto space, as it does not require you to have years of experience. So basically, you buy quality cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana and hold them for long term. This strategy works best for patient investors who believe in crypto's long term potential. The next strategy is trading, and this is good for short term profits. So here, it's best to do some research and learning as you are able to benefit from the crypto volatility. That is crypto prices rises and fall, and that is where you can leverage while trading and profit from these prices changes. So the two most common trading methods are day trading and swing trading. In day trading, you buy and sell crypto within the same day. In swing trading, when you buy crypto, you can hold for days or even weeks before you sell for a profit. So between the trading and swing trading, you choose the best for you according to your patience and your strategies and your knowledge about trading. So the best platforms for trading are Binance, BitGet, and MEX for good liquidity. We will next look at P2P trading, which is peer-to-peer trading, where you trade directly with other users without the use of middlemen. So here you go to the P2P marketplace, set your own prices, and make profit from the prices differences. Platforms like Binance P2P, OKX P2P, and BitGet P2P are best for P2P trading as they have escrow feature which keeps the trader safe from scams and frauds. Next is arbitrage trading, which is a risk-free profit strategy. Here, you buy crypto on one platform at a low price and then transfer it to another exchange and sell it at a higher price. Since prices vary across different platforms, you can make risk-free profits. The best platforms for arbitrage trading is Binance, OKX, BitGet, and KuCoin. If you have noticed, P2P trading and arbitrage trading are almost similar but different. So I'll create a video explaining the difference and the similarities in details between these two. Next is staking, where you earn passive income by locking your crypto to help secure the network. It's like earning interest on your crypto holdings. In this case, the best cryptos for staking are Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. They have good return rate. You can stake on Binance Earn, OKX Earn, and also on BitGet Earn for good APR return. You'll also need to look on yield farming and liquidity provision if you are looking to profit in this crypto space. In DeFi, you can lend and provide liquidity and earn high interest rates. Some of the popular DeFi platforms include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Aave. So be sure to look at all this and be aware of impermanent losses. Also choose trusted platforms. If you want a fun way to make money in crypto, you might as well try P2E, that is play to earn. This is whereby metaverse games come in. You can earn crypto and NFTs by playing blockchain-based games such as Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, or even Decentraland. In P2P, the more you play, the more you earn. So be sure to look at these games. They can be rewarding and a fun way to make money for your time spent playing. You have also heard about crypto airdrops. Yes, you can get free money through airdrops. So there are projects in the crypto space that give users free rewards for some certain conditions met. In most cases, users engage with this crypto project before they are launched, and then they are rewarded. So to qualify for airdrops, check DeFi platforms like Layer Zero, ZigSync, and Starknet. You can also stay updated on the Crypto Airdrops website and Twitter for announcement for the next big airdrops. The next way is through affiliate and referral program. So in this case, you earn commission by referring people to platforms like Binance, BitGet, and OKX. So you share your referral link and earn rewards when people sign up and trade. Check this video's description for my referral links to those platforms that I have mentioned and sign up and get started in this crypto space. You can also run a crypto blog or a YouTube channel whereby you can educate others and earn ad revenues, sponsorship, and also partnership, as well as affiliate commission. So if you love talking about crypto, this can be a great passive income stream. These are the 10 best ways to make money in crypto in 2025. Which strategy are you excited to try? Let me know in the comment. In our next video, I'll break down the difference between P2P trading and arbitrage trading, so you'll know which exactly suits you best. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.